Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing bear pose. So we're going to be starting sitting on our knees, spreading our legs out, and we're going to go down to the floor. Put your forearms on the floor and put your hands together and just rest your head on either the mat. You can rest your head on your hands, whatever works best for you. I'm going to stay here for a few breaths. Act like you're hibernating. Bears hibernate in the winter. It's when they stay in their caves all winter to survive because it's cold out there. A few more breaths. One more. Awesome job. Thanks for joining me today and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.